Alright guys, we're T-minus 5 minutes to getting the long jump competition started here. It's the moment you've all been waiting for. We haven't had a long jump competition in the Bay Area for at least a year, maybe a year and a half now. So it's about time that we had one. Thank you to NorCal and RC Enthusiast for getting this set up for us today. The turnout's great, man. We got people everywhere with tents. People are getting warmed up on the little ramps because they don't want to break their cars before the actual competition comes. But we're getting close to competition time, and you're not going to want to miss that. So stay tuned. You guys ready for this shit? You ready?
Heck yeah.
You look ready.
I'm ready.
You look ready.
Good. I'm gonna try not to get hit by a car here.
I know.
Okay. So there's a few people who are local who are like trying to do it. So it's like, and you know, we have this and then like.
You ready?
Always ready, man.
So,
That's right, baby.
gotta get ready if you stay ready.
That's right. You don't gotta get ready if you stay ready.
I thought you were gonna be a no-show.
No, because he works for NorCal. He's a plant.
They bought it. I know they bought that for us.
Hey, it's 100% stock. Look.
That's good.
It's 100% stock.
That's all you need.
Dude, there's not a speck of dirt on that thing.
No, it's brand new. I haven't turned it on.
Do you even know how to drive it?
No, it's been a while.
I hope you got a bad ESC out the box.
Yeah.
That was a bad ESC right out the box. Warranty that bitch. Call Armo Hotline. Call Armo Hotline.
You have to answer the end of the phone.
It's got the good beep for okay.
I have a fire extinguisher over there in case shit goes down.
It works.
They're gonna, hey, it's gonna be open box on sale tomorrow.
NorCal Hobbies, one hell of a deal.
Adult driven.
Adult driven, I know what I have.
Winner of the long jump.
This. Is this an open box special tomorrow? 50% off?
I had nothing to do with this. I promise.
He's a plant.
Can I buy this 50% off tomorrow?
He shouldn't be allowed to compete. He works for NorCal.
I had nothing to do with this.
It's a stock truck.
Alright, so thanks guys for coming out to the NorCal Hobbies long jump competition. This is all Will's idea right here, so let's give him a round of applause. So first place is going to take home a $100 NorCal Hobbies gift card. Second place takes home 50, and third place is going to take home 25. So the rules are pretty simple. This is the start line right here. You can't run up, you can't roll into it. You have to start right here and you go. There's no penalty for hitting cones. You only get one attempt. So if you miss it, if it's out of your control, sorry, you're out. You just gotta control it better. So we're gonna be out there. We're gonna be eyeballing where they land. We have a tape measure, so we'll give you the exact distance you went. The top three are gonna be recorded to get prizes, and just make sure that you guys try to stay as safe as possible. I know it's hard. No, you could crash. It just depends on where you crash. Yeah.
Make sure you wait for us to send you.
Yes.
Wait, we're going to send you. Just don't think it and send it.
Yes.
Okay?
There's going to be about 4 or 5 of us out there recording distances, so you guys are going to do your thing. We're going to try to stay out of the way, but we will be there lined up just try to get those exact measurements. So everybody, it's a random order. You guys could fight amongst yourselves on where you want to go, and then just wait until we give you the signal to go.
Third? All right, we got number 3. Who's number 1 and who's number 2?
I got top secret super clutch. I gotta try out a little bit.
I only got one jump. I got zip ties holding my front end on.
Are they cut or are they uncut?
Oh no, that one's been used. That was just new tires.
Yeah, that one just had new tires. This one too.
This armor all the tires before they showed up to keep them clean, man. They tens, but they clean.
You should go first.
You should go first.
Yeah, I got it lined up.
This car is brand new. This car should go first.
All sponsored drivers must go first.
Sponsored drivers need to go first.
Before you go, everybody just yell out your name. Hold on.
Scan Arts up first.
Before you guys hit it, just give us your name. Just yell out your name so we know who's recording.
Yeah, I'll get your name here at the start. Okay.
44.
Did he break it?
Yeah. Oh, bumper.
He stuffed it.
Oh, just like in front of the weed though. That's fucking.
Yeah.
That was a. It didn't even knock the weed out. What the hell?
Sounded great too. Crunch, crunch.
That's the top secret slipper.
Yeah, Mikey! Who needs a body anyways, buddy?
55? Nice. 85? I heard 85.
Good, it's on its wheels.
The body is gonna land.
Got a little weight reduction. On the next person. And he snapped the whole car.
Like a taco.
Broken chassis?
Bulkhead.
Good job, Chunk. Good work, kid.
It's like might have snapped the bulkhead. Oh, bent the chassis.
Fix his car and send it.
$60. 57. Good work. Good. $68.
Was that the first one? Isaac? That was the first one, no?
What's that?
When you got 12? Was that the first one? The first one that went?
No, it's a different car. Oh, really? Yeah. You can only do one hit.
Oh, yeah.
One try. It's just one try, that's it. You can do it for fun. You can do it for fun if you want. You can do it for fun. You can do it for fun. Yeah, do it for fun. Come on.
Let him send it. He's not gonna.
Hey, let him finish.
I think so.
He just broke.
He's like, I know. He's a sender. Oh!
55! 55!
5-5. $69.
Oh! 69!
Barely, bro, just by a hair.
Was the other one 68?
Yeah.
You are right now. You're first right now.
Am I?
Yeah. 69 and 68, bro.
1 foot. Give me a chest bump. Give me a chest bump. That's badass. That's badass.
After, can I launch at full speed?
Thank you guys for risking your trucks out there.
I want to know the total of broken parts.
That was awesome. I really appreciate the skill it took, especially with the short run up and also having all us out there, you know. Must have been dodging a lot of bullets. But yeah, thank you guys. Courtesy of NorCal Hobbies. Giovanni is our first place winner. Gets a $100 gift card with distance 69 feet. Kidding? And we got Adam. What was his distance? 68. Adam with 68, so almost tied
Right
up.
there.
So 1 foot.
Next time.
You get the $50 NorCal Hobbies gift certificate.
Yeah.
And Steven and Scott Slayer chip for 25.
Hey, thanks, man.
Way to go.
Good job, guys.
Thank you.
Can I get a picture of you guys in your trucks next to the ramp?
Of course, we don't want to get the sled.
Thank you, thank you.
Sucks to have to shut it down because it looks like a rad event.
Out of the threes, everyone said.
355.
All right. 809 3 1 2.
They're not here. They're not here.
Not here. Not here. All right, next.
I don't know.
Yes. 312.
Right here.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the content. Please remember to like and subscribe. Smash that notification bell so you don't miss out, and we'll see you all next time.